Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've been hearing a lot about this trend called a wet balayage. I don't know if you guys have seen people talk about it, but basically people are raving about balayaging on wet hair. So of course I had to give it a shot. I did a model call and pulled in a model to demonstrate this new technique. I didn't want to try something so new on a regular paying client, so I did get a model for it. She's about to come in and we're going to try the wet balayage. My plan is to shampoo her hair first. I'm using Blondor and 30 volume, no Olaplex or anything because doing it on the wet hair is supposed to be more gentle. So let's dive right in and give this wet balayage a shot. my God. I'm never balayaging dry hair again. I swear to God, that was phenomenal. So it was so smooth. There was no lines, no splotches, no just weird balayage mess ups anywhere. It was flawless. My only qualm with this is I do not think it would give you a lot of lift. It was open air. The hair isn't incubated. It's not going to get quite as much lift as if you are using like foils or saran wrap or something. So for my girls that want to be super light, I would probably stick to a dry hair balayage, even though this was amazing. Other pros of this was the time was cut like in half. It was a 2.5 hour process. Normally I mark out 3.5 hours just for the balayage, like not including like styling and photos and everything. So it was just 2.5 hours altogether. That was with styling, with toning, and with a haircut. So it's super quick. If you have a client that wants just a little bit of lift and doesn't want to spend a lot of time in the salon, this is what you should be doing for them. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. But as always, I will post my formulas down in the comment box. So just, yeah, let me know what questions you guys have about this. I will definitely elaborate where I can. And I really urge you guys to try this. Like, bring in a model if you want to, but it is an awesome technique. Like, whoever came up with it is my favorite person. Love wet balayage. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. You know what to do. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!